Update!
Maling yung sa'yo!
Ano ba?
Joho!
Maria!
Napatay yung echo.
Yes!
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan? Alright, so let's move on. We have Spanish. We have German.
Yes.
We have India. Manila. Manila Zoo. Manila Cathedral. Manila Bay. Ang dami lang.
Manila Bulletin.
Oh, look, later on, our bartender want to exhibition.
Yeah.
We have color blue, yellow, and red, and then blue, and yellow, and red. Different color.
Yeah.
The color is the flag of LGBTQ plus family.
Rainbow.
The rainbow. So tonight, wala pa no? Wala pa. So far, are you ready?
Tingnan natin ang katapusan nito.
Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a round of applause to one of the famous bartender in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Here's your very own, Mr. Brian!
Ngayon sa toilet. May toilet doon. Yung parking.
Come on, Brian. Show your face. Brian ba? Ay, si Brian na.
Doon ang comfort room. Bayad ang comfort room. May comfort room doon, pero I think may bayad. Yun, may bantay. Yan. Dito na ang end. Tapos pupunta doon. Haba. Doon. Ganun.